Hi there. Welcome to DNA Studios. Today, Texas winter storm. As you can see, it is absolutely frozen. And
Again.
Yes, yet again.
And especially in February.
It was again in
Hopefully
February.
this doesn't turn into a 3-minute video like last time.
It's not going to be a 3-minute video.
Yes.
They're going to be a little longer. There's a bunch of ice. It's not as snowy this time. So, unlike last time, we can't make an igloo. It's very sad.
Yeah. Okay. We're gonna go sledding?
Yeah, so...
Trash can lid? Why not?
Yeah, we literally don't have anything better to do, so we got a trash can lid.
A shovel?
Yeah, for some reasons. I don't know why we have a shovel. And,
Also, by the way, the power went out again.
yes, the power is out, so that sucks. On our last video, we never covered that, but right now we're gonna go in our house here in a sec. Well, not right now, but like,
Get Kermit.
later in the video.
Get Kermit and Elmo, because they're still sleeping in at 2.
Yeah. Oh, and just by the way, real quick, if y'all are interested, I forgot what I was gonna say.
We're doing our Discord server.
Oh yeah, join our Discord server. We post normally what our videos we're gonna be making and some other stuff. You can chat with Kermit on voice chat and stuff if you want. So go check out our Discord. Link will be in the description. But anyways, we're at the location now. It is very cold. Well, it's not that bad because we're bundled up a lot, but whew. So it's all ice. It's not really snow. As you can see, I almost just fell down a hill. Huh?
Bro, get the shot.
I keep on tripping,
Put
bro.
the bins down somewhere, but not right here because they'll slide down. So.
Yeah, clearly. So everything's sliding down. Hold on.
Okay, you want to record me going?
Yeah.
Just so you know, on this hill, as soon as you get on, you're sliding. So you kind of want to get on from the front. Move.
We put on the camera here.
What?
You wanna hold the camera?
Sure.
There you go.
Okay, no, hold it just for now.
Okay.
Alright, thanks. Alright. Sure. Alright.
Okay.
Yep.
Nice! I would go down the hill, but I don't want to slip. Oh, and by the way, we are normally a comedy channel. I mean, sometimes we do other content. For the most part, we do comedy. So if you're interested in laughing a bunch, we normally try to post as much as we can. I mean, school and stuff, it's been kind of hard posting lately, but please subscribe if you want to see some comedy and laugh. And,
Yeah, you wanna record your stuff going down?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so, I'm going. Oh, and by the way, check out our other channels, DNA Airsoft and stuff.
Alright, you're going, bro.
It's kind of a fast intro to the video, but here we go. Oh, God! Oh, God! Nice! I was worried about this hill right here. I was worried if I was just gonna get, like, launched or something.
Yeah, actually that happened to some people that tried this.
Huh?
That actually did happen with some people.
I'm kind of concerned now.
Dip right here that always gets me.
Oh, yeah. I totally thought I was gonna fly off just now.
I'm gonna go.
Oh, God.
Get in the landing area. I'm ready.
All right. Ready?
Yep.
You want to record yourself?
Sure.
But if I lose the camera, it's not my responsibility. It's actually kind of easy
For
to
legal
hold.
reasons.
Okay. Comfortable?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go.
I got it!
Yeah, okay.
Oh my God. That was awesome!
Okay, hold it.
There. You ready?
Not go.
Alright, just for legal reasons, you gotta sign this waiver, because if you die, it's not a responsibility.
What do you mean? You're my brother. I'm ready.
You haven't signed it, but, okay. Goodbye. Look at him go. Nice job.
Yo, what are you doing?
No angels.
Snow angels? This is ice, bro. It's not gonna work very well.
Yes, it will. I will prove you wrong.
I can start.
What?
Look. Come here.
I can kind of see.
Coming.
Yeah, look at that.
It's very hard to tell on camera, bro. Yeah, but no, I see it.
Yeah.
I suppose so.
Let's go to that forest and see if the river's frozen.
Yeah. Okay, so we're rolling again.
Okay.
Okay, wait, hold on, wait. You're blocking the shot, bro. There's a red robin right there. It's kind of hard to tell on camera. But sorry if I'm shaking. I'm just like, there's a bunch of mud and ice. I have to be very careful. It's frozen over there. Bro, look at him.
This is weird. This is like natural or something.
Yeah.
I didn't realize that a creek. Like, this whole place is like gone, bro.
Yeah. So it seems like some of it is floating and stuff. But then another half is like totally frozen.
Yeah, let's go check it out. Yeah, there's John. Yeah.
Okay, so kind of hard to see the red robin, but
He's there.
oh, he's so cool.
Look at those other birds.
Yeah, there's some other birds. They're cute.
Fat and
What a fatty! He's cute.
he's fluffy. What's that orange one down there?
What? Orange? What? So this is one of our friends, new friends in this neighborhood that we moved into.
Yeah.
So,
It's right now snowing. It's so cold.
can we cross this? Oh, there's a bird right there.
Yo, let's go.
Look at that red robin, guys. Look.
Oh, there he is.
Shh. Be quiet, be quiet.
Try not to be too loud.
You want to whisper, okay? Don't move too loud, okay?
That is really cool. I like that a lot. Bro, look at that. Oh wait, let me zoom out. It's not even the size of the stick. It's just overgrown, you know.
I can't break it. I broke it.
No.
Okay, so our friend here is gonna go.
Hold on. Ready?
Yeah.
3. Alright, by the way, tap my hand to confirm that if you die, it's not a responsibility. Alright, you ready? 3, 2, 0. That man died just now.
Oh no! He's so dead.
Yo, what's the No.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Okay.
I'd like to interview you.
Yeah, sure.
This is DNA News. What do you think about the storm?
Great.
That's it, kids. The storm is great.
I just don't like how the electricity is out. You know, man. Like, I've already lost all my toes, so they all fell off.
Yeah.
Come over here.
Hey, you want to hold the camera while you're laying down?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, hold on. I'm
actually,
gonna
hold
get
on,
you in a sec. Okay, we're rolling. You're covering the actual camera, so it's gonna have it kind of pointing at you. The best way to hold it is like this, kind of, you know, like on the sides. So hold on your left hand.
Yes. Right. Make sure you hold it really, really tight and you hold your left. Yeah, other side.
I already want to regret.
It doesn't have good footing so well. I want to record you dying.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. You good?
Yeah.
Oh god, the camera. Well, that was rather interesting.
It's so bright.
Oh, sorry, Kermit.
Turn that light off.
I can't.
Okay, well,
So, do you mind explaining to the viewers what's been happening since we just kind of cut from sledding and stuff to chilling in a hotel room?
yeah, sure thing. Well,
Well, there you go. The light's off.
Oh, okay. Well, the power at our house has not been restored just yet, so obviously we can't sleep there because it's gonna get way too cold. So we're actually in a Holiday Inn Express right now, just for the night until the power was restored in the house. So we're just kind of chilling here until the power comes back, and we're gonna sleep here. You know, especially that there's actually working electricity and Wi-Fi, all that good stuff. So that's pretty much it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So basically, I'm just in a hotel room and stuff, chilling. Because it would be way too cold in our house, like you said. But we're gonna see y'all tomorrow when the snow is melted and stuff. We're gonna head out of the hotel room.
Yeah, and hopefully if the snow's still there, we might get some more sledding footage.
I really don't hope the snow is there because it's like it was an hour drive here. Well, technically that's because we had to go really slow, or otherwise we would have fishtailed, like slide off the road, you know.
Yeah, that's pretty much it, but no, it should be a 32-minute drive, so...
Yes, but I really do hope the snow melts tomorrow.
Yeah, well, that's pretty much it, so I guess we'll see y'all in the morning.
Alright, so we just woke up and Kermit is still asleep right now, so we're gonna go get some breakfast. Okay, so they got some yogurt, milk. No, these are eggs, as you can see. These are eggs. No, milk. There's none down there, but that's the milk.
I don't see any eggs.
Yeah, there's no eggs.
Oh,
they get
juice, apple juice, and
oranges. Pretty out. Got that. Got some oatmeal, cereal. Nice.
which we can obviously see with the choices for everyone, which is definitely not me.
You're mistaken, these are muffins. Yes, they are muffins. That's nice. And got some bread and some of that. I guess you could probably make like a biscuit or toast or something like that. I don't know. For a second, I thought you were using a plate, bro.
No, definitely getting these. Yeah, Raisin Brands.
What they got in here? They got okay. Sausage, omelet, another omelet. Bro, I caught you lacking. Well, it should be making a pancake. I'm not too sure. It's like really weird. I've never seen a machine like this. It's like place plate. Yeah, place plate. This is my plate. Wait, it makes two, so I guess you get one. I get one.
No,
Just why not?
these are all mine.
So it's a place plate next right to the machine. Press OK to make pancakes. Fresh pancake in about a minute. So I'm not too sure if it has any batter. If I'm like, oh wait, no, there it is.
There's just no syrup.
There it goes. That's a nice pancake. This is very slow. Nice. Ooh, it's actually really nice and hot. Sweet. Here comes the next one. Something like that. Right about there. That's pretty. That took a while. Nice. I'm not really gonna eat that much just because, I don't know, I don't feel like eating that much. I'm getting myself some apple juice. Nice. Hey, what's up? Bro, what is that?
What?
You're totally eating Fruit Loops.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's very colorful.
These are jungle cereal. Yeah, jungle cereal.
Dude, they only have Fruit Loops, Raisin Brands, and like.
They gave me something from the back.
Oh yeah, right.
Yeah.
Comment if that's Fruit Loops. Like, I want to see. And
Says the guy wearing a Canadian hoodie in Texas.
I like it. It's cozy. Are you eating sausage like directly?
Yes.
Hey, bro. Well, we got our drinks. I don't know why you're recording this.
Stop making fun of me for that. There was no need to record for that.
No, the viewers loved that scene. Comment if you loved that scene from our last video, which I'll put at the end of this video and stuff. Great video. It's
Or if you
we went to Kidzania. It's super fun. Y'all
actually
can go.
check out that video. Check up here. Yeah.
I don't think.
I know how to put annotations. Or whatever.
Yep, go up there.
Yeah,
Whatever. Oh, it's already popped up, so you're gonna probably have to rewind the video. But other than that, and by the way, if you haven't already, like and subscribe. Subscribe just so you know, it's like we always do. Comedy content. If you want to laugh or have a little giggle one day, you feel down, just come to this channel. We can try to post as frequently as we can. So yeah. I'm gonna record you eating. Time lapse time. I'm just kidding. Kermit, wake up.
No,
Kermit, wake up. You missed breakfast.
I don't want to.
Kermit, you remember what happened in Corpus Christi?
What? What's gonna happen?
That.
Hey, bro, you woke me up from my slumber.
Just go back to sleep, bro.
I'm fighting back.
The Walmart should do the trick. There we go. No, Kermit. No pillow fight. No pillow fight. Kermit. Kermit, get back here. The camera. Kermit.
I'm fighting back.
No. Oh my god.
I think you killed him.
Oh my god. Oh my god, Kermit, no.
You wake him up.
He's so dead.
Kermit, wake up.
He's definitely awake.
Can I wake up Elmo at least?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, here we go. Give me all your money! Give me all your money!
No.
What do you mean again?
Not in the alley. Not in the.
We're,
Oh,
you're in a hotel. Yeah.
Whew. What a relief! I totally thought I was getting robbed again.
What do you mean again?
None of your business.
Huh.
I can eat my own teeth.
What? Ew, that's disgusting, bro. No, stop.
So right now, we're just gonna, getting ready and stuff. We're gonna, I'm just gonna cut to a time lapse of us in the car, and we're gonna just take a time lapse of us heading home. My camera's out a little better, so it might just, the time lapse probably is gonna turn off before we get back to our house, but I honestly have no idea, so we'll see. We'll see you in the time lapse. So, I just paused the time lapse real quick, so looks like there's like a wreck or something. I do not know. We're gonna pull up here in a sec. We're gonna see what it is. It's a truck. Not too sure what's going on here. So what it looks like is happening is the people just can't get up a hill, so that's all. We're gonna go back to the time lapse here in a little bit. So we just had power slided back there, and it flipped our car. Well, not like flipped it, but we turned around, and now we were going reverse down the hill, but now we're like straightened out. So figured I'd record that real quick. Sorry.
Do it again.
Alright, so we finally got back. Man, I love that power slide at the end of there. Tokyo drifting there.
Yeah, the power slide.
Yeah,
Well,
that's
finally the power's back on and stuff, so...
Yeah, so we can now use our computers. Finally.
Yeah. But, anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video and stuff.
Yeah, I see this. Hope you guys enjoyed
This
the
was
video.
super intense. No,
Hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Yo,
Please
you
like and
killed
subscribe.
Elmo.
And for legal reasons, I've been in the video. So,
Wait, no, not again.
please
Wait,
like and
we'll never
subscribe,
figure this
and
out.